Today we're changing the vent price on an Alliance BC series washing machine. To get into the programming mode, you have to flip the switch on the back of the display board here. To the left is programming, so flip that guy. And the first button you'll have to hit is the one with the star on it here. This is the size of the machine, and then hit the start button to continue through the menu. We're looking for Start ANT. This is your vend price. Use the up and down arrows to change it. Right now it's set at 50 cents. We'll set it at $1. Hit start again. Coin 1 and 2 denomination are just the denomination. 25 cents on one, $1 on two. When you're done with the programming, just flip the switch back the other direction and you can see the vend price is now changed to $1.